Hey everyone, we are back at the greenhouse today, and today we are working on getting the side paneling up so that I can get the pallets on. We are going to be using, if you remember, the shipping crate panels that we use to enclose our carport area. We're going to be using the same thing to go on the outside of the greenhouse here. And then just for aesthetic reasons, I want to use pallets to give it a certain look, but that's going to seal it in and create, I guess you could say, less heat loss because there won't be any gaps in the wood. So that's what we're going to be working on today. Yeah, so let me kind of show you, I guess, where we left off and what the game plan is for today. So here is where we left off in the last greenhouse video. We got all of the windows in and the bottom framing is done. So now we're going to be, like I said, closing off this bottom section and this back wall. And we're probably going to be starting on this corner and just working our way around and doing the back wall last. First things first, we got to get some measurements so we know what we're cutting, because the panels are pretty big. We need to cut them down to size, and then we can just get them installed. So let me get you guys set up on a tripod and we'll get started with this project for today. right, so we just finished putting up the last solid wall. Let me show you what it looks like. Here she is. So these are the front 2 walls, the garden side, and then, like I said, we did this back wall, a solid wall. So there's that side, and then the back side here. All right, so now that all of the solid walls are up, all I have to do now is seal everything with a coat of paint. Oh, let me get out of the sun. I can't see. Maybe. There we go. I can actually see you guys. So now that all of the solid walls are up, I just need to coat everything in a coat of exterior paint because none of this wood is treated, so we want to make sure it's sealed up nice and tight. And then once it's all painted, I'm going to kind of fill in the gaps between the 1-bys with pallet wood. So let me show you. So there are like these spaces between like the 1-by framing, and I'm going to put pallet wood vertically in between this space to give it more of a rustic look. So this will have the vertical pallets as well, and then just continued all the way around. And then I think the back wall I'm gonna do horizontal because of these here. So I think I'm gonna do the pallets horizontal on the back, and then on the inside I think I want to do that as well. Do horizontal pallets on the inner side of the wall. I haven't fully decided on that yet. The inside of the greenhouse is kind of bottom of the list right now. We want to get the outside completely done and basically weatherproof before winter gets here. So the next step for sure will just be getting everything painted, then getting the pallet wood up, and then getting the plastic on the roof. So yeah, that pretty much wraps up the video today. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below. I would love to hear your comments and opinions on our greenhouse build so far. If you have any questions about what we're doing with it, go ahead and leave those there as well. I love to hear from you guys. I love interacting with you guys, and it makes this channel really worthwhile. So thanks for being interactive with me. Thanks for watching. If you like my content, go ahead and hit the like button on your way out, and make sure you hit the subscribe button, because that lets you know when new content is up on the channel. Again, thank you guys so much for watching, and remember to grow where you're planted.